So today I'm going to make what they call a Jailhouse Blue switch. So basically these blue switches, these are known as the clicky ones, and they have what they call a click jacket inside, which kind of rides up and down. You might be able to see it here. That's what makes the noise. So you can use either O-rings, or you can use what they have, these little rubber J spacers here, and you slide these in between the click jacket and the top of the stem, and basically what that does is it stops the click. It freezes it in place and turns it into a tactile switch that feels different than most other tactile switches, and also is pretty quiet. So I'm going to take one of these apart and show you how to do it. So basically what we got to do is take this click jacket off. I just basically use a screwdriver here and pop it loose. Then the little spacer goes in there. This goes back on. And put this back together. So there. Now you have basically a tactile switch. You can see there it doesn't move anymore. And here's the other one. And when you put it all together in a keyboard, it actually sounds pretty cool. So I just built this DZ60 here, and I'll show you what it sounds like typing. So that's what happens when you get a Jailhouse Blue. You get a more tactile switch than, say, something like a Cherry Brown. A little bit shorter key travel, since that little rubber spacer takes up a little bit of the key travel. And when you bottom out, that rubber spacer kind of adds a little bit of cushion, which makes the bottom out a little softer, and also it's a lot quieter than normal keys when you bottom out. So overall, I kind of like it. Feels a little bit like, I don't know, it's a different kind of switch, almost like a Topper switch than a Cherry switch, but that's a Jailhouse Blue.